Today's topic is polynomials. Exercise 4.3. Second question is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a means what is the remainder? So we have to find the remainder. We are going to use long division method. So x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a divided by x minus a. This is long division method. So first term x cube we have. So here we have x. So what we are going to do? X cube means x into x into x. This is x cube divided by first term x. Write it here. X and x get cancelled. So here x into x, it is x square. So x square into x we have to multiply and write it in this place. X square into x, x cube, plus into minus, minus, x square into a x square. Now we have to change the sign. This is minus, this is plus. So plus and minus will get cancelled when it is x cube. Then minus ax square plus ax square. Then too it will get cancelled because same term we have in opposite sign. Therefore, we have to bring this down, that is 6x minus a. Both the term we are going to bring down because we have here binomial. So now this is 6x divided by x. 6x divided by x. X numerator denominator will get cancelled. We have x, that is plus x. So because we have here in this place plus, so we have to write it here also plus. Now plus into plus, plus only, we no need to write in first place. Then 6 into x, 6x. Plus into minus, minus, 6 into a, 6a. Now we have to change the sign in this place. So 6x plus and minus will get cancelled. Plus 6a minus a, that is plus 5a will be there. This is called a remainder. This is quotient. Third question is, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Here 3x cube plus x square term is not there, so I am going to write 0x square plus 7x. This 7 plus 3x, I am going to write 3x plus 7. Then too, value will not be changed. Why I have written like this? Because we have to divide first term by this first term. So x term is there. That's why I have rechanged this term and written like this. So here 3x cube means it is 3x into x into x. So numerator x, denominator x will get cancelled. Same like that, numerator 3, denominator 3 will get cancelled. Here we have x into x, x square. Now x square we have to multiply here and write in this both the place. So x square into 3x, 3x cube. Plus into plus, plus. X square into 7, 7x square. So we have to write in this place minus because we had here plus, that's why change the sign. Same like that plus we have to change the minus sign in this place. So minus and plus same term is there, means it will get cancelled. Minus 7x square plus 0x square will get minus 7x square. Next we have plus 7x will bring down. Then this minus 7x square, first term in this, divided by first term we have to do in this, divided by 3x. X square means x into x. So numerator x, denominator x will get cancelled. So we have here minus 7x divided by 3. We have to write it in this place, minus 7x divided by 3. Along with this, we have to multiply this both the terms. That is 7x divided by 3 into first term we have 3x. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So we'll get here 7x into x, 7x square. So here minus we have minus and plus, minus 7x square we have here. Then next term along with this 7 we have to multiply. So here 7 we should multiply. Then 7 sevens are 49. Minus into plus minus 7 sevens are 49 x divided by 3. Now we have to change the sign. Minus we have to put plus here. Here also we have minus, we have to change as plus. First term will get cancelled because minus and plus same term we have. It will be cancelled. Then in this term we have plus 7x plus 49x divided by 3 we have. We have to take LCM for this. 7x plus 49x divided by 3. What is the LCM we have in this? Both 3 we have LCM. 3 sevens are 21x plus 149, 49x. So here we have 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 plus 4 is 7. X term we are added. So it is x divided by 3. So we have here plus plus. We'll get here plus 70x divided by 3. Next we have to put 0 here because we have in this question till x term. Number term it was not there. So we have to put number term as 0. This 0 only we are bringing down actually. Now we have first term 70x divided by 3. In this first term we have 3x. So it is divided by 3x. Actually this is 3x divided by 1 also is same. So here 70x divided by 3 into 1 divided by 3x. So here x get cancelled. 70 into 1 70. 3 3s are 9 we have. With this we have to multiply with this both the terms 70 by 9. So here for this term we have 70 by 9. In first term 3x we have to multiply. So 70 by 9 into 3x. So here 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what we have here 70 into x, 70x divided by 3 we have. Then plus into plus, plus. 70 into 7, 490 because 7 sevens are 49, 1 0 we have in 70 divided by 9. See here 70 by 9 into 7. So 7 into 0, 0, 7 sevens are 49 divided by 9. This is what I have written in this place. Okay, so we have to change the sign now. It is positive, we have to put here negative. This is also positive, we have to write here negative. The same term, plus and negative, same term we got it, it will get cancelled. So in this place, what is remainder? Minus 490 divided by 9 is our remainder. Quotient is x square minus 7x by 3 plus 70 divided by 9. But this 3x plus 7 is not a factor of this dividend because we got remainder as minus 490 by 9. We have to get 0 in this place. Then only this is a factor of this dividend. As the remainder is not 0, therefore, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x.